Nice Saturday afternoon here in the canyon. Getting some long overdue sharpening done on the Tormac. Kitchen knives, probably do some my Spyderco knives as well. Have two Tormacs, older ones. This is the Super Grind, that's one of the original models. This other one is a 2000 model. A little bit newer, but still old. Got them from Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace years ago. I've sharpened a lot of knives for people. I've done axes and scissors and garden tools and lots of different things. So yep, just enjoying the afternoon. Just wondering when this is going to snow for the first time up here in the canyon. It's November 22nd. Still has not snowed, which is very unusual. It's rained a little bit, but no snow. We'll get back to doing some foraging a little bit later today. Maybe make some more tent stakes, some more hooks, handles, and other various things. Plan on putting some walls up soon. Some simple 4x8 sheets of plywood just to close this in before it actually does snow. But don't want to be foraging out here. I don't mind the cold, but I don't want to be out here with snow blowing in while I'm trying to forage. So that's it for now. See ya.